This is NT Collegiate 7849. We need to give away the Patriots to the team that finishes on top here after 5 times. That is a weird chest pain I haven't had for a couple of days. It's back at a bad time. 3. Wordle after this break. Alright, I'll do the Wordle before I go to bed. Well, before I leave, sorry. The Browns after 5. Not Browns. Browns. Aaron Huffam. Old Huffy. Good luck, Huffy. Good luck, everybody. Alright, best cam, so we get yes, Magda. We finally worked out how to get 2 accounts at once. Julio Jones, 23 of 25. All these cards will go to the first teams that they played for. Next up is a big old jersey, 93 of 99, Jalen Hurts. I'm coming, Magda. I'll play when I get home. Javonte Williams, 46 of 75. College Material Signatures Blue Card 80, Ramondre Stevenson. That'll be, I think it's Patriots. Yes, alright, mate, I heard you. I would leave too, just for what it's worth. This is very nice. Team logos, LSU, Terrace Marshall Jr. Then it's a 1 of 25. That'll be Panthers. I don't know either of these guys, if I'm being honest. Sage Surratt and Jamie Newman, 76 of 99, dual signatures. And that is a 1 of 1. So we're going to get the one off the back. It's 91 of 99, Kyle Pitts. And 101 to finish is Kadarius Toney, rookie silhouette patch auto, 1 of 1 from Flow Rider. That's a nice card. The auto, less nice. Game worn. I don't know if this needs to be random, but I'm going to random it right now, just in case it will save a bit of time later if we get to that. So, over on this list, Sage and Jamie. Sage is on top, Jamie's on the bottom. 5 times on this list, team person on top will get it, whoever that ends up being. Sage, 5 times. Come back here and that's a wrap.